In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not supported by Google. If you find that Google says your version of Safari isn't supported, or if certain Google services aren't functioning properly in Safari, don't worry. There are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve this issue effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to enjoy a smooth browsing experience with Google services on your iPhone or iPad. First, we need to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, head over to your Settings app. Once inside, tap on General. From there, select Software Update. This is crucial because Safari updates happen alongside iOS updates. Keeping your device updated ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Once the update is complete, your device will automatically restart, making sure everything is set up correctly. Next up, let's restart your iPhone. This simple yet effective step can resolve various temporary glitches. To restart your device, press and hold the power button until you see the slider appear. Slide it to turn off your iPhone completely. After a moment, press the power button again to turn it back on. This process clears temporary files and can help fix issues that might be affecting Safari's performance. You'll notice that your iPhone operates a little smoother after a restart. After your iPhone is back on, open the Settings app again. This is where you will manage various settings that can affect your browsing experience. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list that appears, select Safari. This section allows you to adjust settings specifically for the Safari browser. It's important to familiarize yourself with these settings as they impact how Safari interacts with different websites, including Google. Now we will clear Safari's history and website data. In the Safari settings, look for the option that says Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it. This action removes cached data and cookies that may be storing outdated information, which can lead to compatibility issues. Clearing this data can help refresh your browsing experience. After confirming, you will see a message indicating that your history and data have been cleared. This step is essential for ensuring that Safari is working with the most current information available. From there, let's check if you have any Safari extensions enabled that might be causing issues. Go back to the Safari settings, then tap on Extensions. Here you can see all the extensions you have installed. Temporarily disable any extensions or content blockers to see if that resolves the issue with Google. Sometimes these add-ons can interfere with how websites function. After disabling them, return to Google and check if the problem persists. If you're using iCloud Private Relay or a VPN, it's time to temporarily turn those off as well. Both services can occasionally interfere with Google services, leading to access issues. You can do this by returning to the main settings menu and finding either iCloud or your VPN settings. Once turned off, reload the Google page in Safari. This step is vital for identifying whether these services are causing the problem. Finally, navigate to google.com and test out Google Search or any specific Google service you were using. This will help you determine if the previous steps resolved the issue. Remember, Safari is a supported browser for Google services. If you still encounter issues, it may be a temporary problem with Google's website or its browser detection. If only one specific Google service is affected, try accessing it later or consider using the official Google app for the time being. This way, you can continue using Google services without disruption while waiting for the issue to be resolved.